Hi, my name is Dan. I'm originally from Middletown, New York, and I'm currently attending for the Curriculum and Instruction program. When I was looking around at the different programs from the different colleges, each one had a very interesting program, but Buffalo State was the one where it actually felt more like a family, and that's what I really wanted to have. I started back in fall of 2013, where I came in as an undergrad. I tried out multiple clubs until I settled on one or two. I talked with many professors, and talking with different people really helped me make connections, helped me network that eventually made me more connections outside of the college, which has been very beneficial for me in education. The Buffalo State program here, our education program is actually very unique in the sense that we don't just have the students stay in a classroom and then when they get to student teaching, then they get to go and be with kids in an actual classroom. They actually start off in classes like 201, where they're observing, where they go to 211, where they're working outside of a classroom, and then 311, and then 316 and 313, where they're actually inside of a classroom. They're working with a teacher, they're actually making lesson plans, teaching those lesson plans, and then they're student teaching. So that was one of the reasons why I loved Buffalo State so much. You get like a good experience before you're actually inside of a classroom.